everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking up outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get lots of puppies, you get PA weather, you get some life in there, and you get a week of outfits. I'm Laura. If you're new, please stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Of course, I have the furry bunch here. Loki, Willie, Dexter's here as well. And it's a beautiful, beautiful Sunday morning. It is already 69. It's getting up to 82. The sun's out. The sky is clear. I didn't go outside because everyone's outside this morning. So we're going to try to do this inside today, and hopefully I can catch it later this week outside, because I think it's going to be a beautiful week. And for my outfit today, I have on a pair of Z Supply shorts from a Wantable. Paired it with a Nikibiki tank from a JB Stylebox. And then I have on this Zella, pretty short Zella jacket that I got during the Wantable anniversary sale. I love it. It's so soft and comfy. Zella. Thought I knew something. I said something wrong. Zella. But it's so soft and good and yummy good. So I'm really enjoying it. And for shoes, I put on these by DV by Dolce Vita. I got those in a Stitch Fix. Kind of love the little ruffling here. And then I have really no jewelry on other than my permanent jewelry and my earrings I've been just leaving in. That's my outfit for Sunday as we kick the week off. All right, we're going to get started. I have a video I want to get done, so we're going to get to it. Hey, everybody. It is another beautiful day in Pennsylvania. It is Monday already. I love that the sun is out. It is warm. It's already 73. It feels warmer. In the sun, it feels in the 80s. It is getting up to 81 today. It's going to be a beautiful day. And let's see, my Beachly fall box I showed today, and it is so good, like so good. Like I love the palm tree, the palm leaf sweater. I'm loving the jacket that I got as an add-on, like so good. Check that one out. So much better than the first box, I think. And then for today's outfit, I have on a denim skirt from Evereve. I got it in I think I just purchased it. Yeah, so I got it from Evereve. And then this top is from a Trendsend, also Evereve. It is by Z Supply, so it's the Z Supply Evereve collaboration. For shoes, I threw on these Dolce Vitas, also from Evereve. I love these little flats, so comfy. And then I have on my bracelet stack. You guys are used to seeing. I have on a necklace, also from a Trendsend. It's a whole Evereve outfit today. All right, I got to get back to work. Hope you're doing amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Tuesday. Time for outfit of the day. Willie wants some love. Willie always wants some love, don't you, buddy? You always want some love, huh? And it's gorgeous outside. So it's a really nice day. A little cloudy, but it's warm. So it's already 74, getting up to 79. It's just before lunchtime. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. I wanted to talk a minute about hyping videos. So a couple of you, I think, had mentioned, hey, I hyped your video, don't know what it means. Well, first of all, thank you. So I so appreciate it. I finally figured out what hyped videos are. And I guess for the first 7 days that I post a video, you're going to see that little hype icon. And if you click it, you're actually helping me grow my audience and grow my subscribership. So, when you click on it, I get points related to, like, there's points assigned to the video, and you're letting others know that, hey, this is a video worth watching. So if all of you could hit that hype for me, I would so appreciate it. I've been trying to grow my channel for quite a bit now, and it's a very slow grow for me. So anyway, I can get some help and support. If you truly love my videos and think others would benefit from it, please do hit that hype for me. It's one way that you all can truly help me grow my channel, and I love it. Love the idea behind it. And for outfit of the day today, I am, enjoying these final summer days. I have on the Rag & Bone Miramar shorts. I love these. They're like wearing, like jammy bottoms. They're so comfortable. Paired it back to this top from a Trendsend by Sanctuary. I love this. It's like tipping towards fall, but still gives a little bit of that summer vibe. And then I always forget to tell you about my belt, so I want to make sure I'm reminded to tell you about my belt today. This one was also from a Trendsend. I'm loving the brown here. You guys can see that a little bit, but you'll see it in the video. It's so super cute. Like, it's perfect for now and later, right? The browns. For shoes, I have on Dolce Vita gold shoes. Love these with the little round heel. And for jewelry, I have on a necklace my husband got me and my bracelet stack. Okay, I will see you tomorrow for hump day. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. The gang is all here. Dexter's gonna fall through the table because he keeps breaking it. Yes, so it's gonna have to pitch this table at the end of this summer. It is a really nice morning out. It's 68, getting up to 79 today. It's supposed to be nice, no rain. And my JB Stylebox posted today. Love my stylist, Carol. She does such an amazing job. I will tell you that when I tried these things on originally, I liked a lot more than when I watched the playback. So I might surprise you with what I kept. I kept 3 clothing items, and of course I did keep the Farm Fresh items because I love those. So the dress was first up. I loved it when I put it on. I thought it felt so nice. Dexter's moving the camera all around. And then I watched the playback and it seemed to fit weird here. And then coming up in the middle and the front, I didn't like that either. So I did not keep this dress. I did keep these cute little shoes though. These were the little flats by Dolce Vita. I kept the sweater just because I kind of was really intrigued by the gold hardware on it. So the little cardigan. I did not keep the jeans. I did not keep the short sleeve sweater. I don't know, that's just not me. And then for the final items, I did keep the little button down. I already got people asking me what it was because I wore it then for the following video. And I did not keep the jacket, it was too big. I did ask if she had an extra small. They did not. It did not come in an extra small, so it was too big for me. She said I took a chance on that one. So those were my keepers. And for today's outfit, I have on the pieces that I didn't wear from White House Black Market in this amazing color. I love this. I got so many compliments when I wore the blazer and the form tank. And I wore it with jeans. Now it's like the reverse, right? So I have on the Skort, which is wrinkling a little bit because I've been sitting all morning. I have on that double tank. I think this is so fun. And then I paired it with denim on the top this time, and I did a little short sleeve jacket because, as I said, it's going to get up to 79 today. It's going to be really nice, and this is perfect for those work from home moments. For shoes, how about a leopard print with this? I love these Donald Pliners. I got them during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I just put on my Louis necklace, my bracelet stack. Off we go. All right, well, I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is gorgeous out here. Full on feels like summer, has felt like summer all week. Like we're in the 80s, blue skies, it's beautiful. And given all that, I know fall is like breathing down my neck. I can see it here in the leaves changing. And I know that Monday is the official first day to fall. So my only thing I really enjoy about fall, for me personally, is the clothing, right? So it's fun to kind of switch things up after you've been wearing the shorts and the sleeveless and all of the linens and all that for a while, to get into the cozies and the sweaters and the new in denim. So I do enjoy that part, and you know I'm a jacket girl. But for today, and probably until this hot streak ends, I'm going to be full on summer still. So for my outfit today, and Willie came to say hi. Did you come to say hi, buddy? Yeah, you're such a love bug. Willie is a love bug. And he chases bugs, so he took over where Wyatt left off, didn't you, bud? He must be talking to you. For my outfit today, I have on a Charlie B skirt that I'm in love with. It's actually a Skort. It's a denim Skort. Now Dexter wants to say hi, don't you? Don't you? So, and it has sequins and stitching. It's so pretty along the bottom. So I paired it with a blue top that I got from Evereve, or got from Trendsend. It's by Evereve. Love this one. For my shoes, I did my Halogen blue sandals. Love these. So comfortable. Got those years and years ago at Nordstrom. And then I just put on my Louis necklace and my bracelet stack. And I can tell you with my body that's sitting here in the sun, it is hot outside. It's so nice. It's definitely a pull day. Unfortunately for me, it's a work day, but if not, it's a full day. And that's my outfit today. All right, I hope you're doing amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday. We made it. Time for outfit of the day. First thing in the morning, 57 degrees out, but it's getting up to 82. And as you can see, the sun is out. It still feels actually nice and warm, with just a little bit of that chill in the air that you come to expect come fall. And I do a Friday funny for you today. So the puppers love Harvey. They love him. They love him. They like to hang out with him. He's kind of on the fence about it. He likes them better than I think he did Wyatt, who was a little bit more aggressive. But remember, it was Wyatt's house first, right? In this case, now it was Harvey's house first. And they always want to be around him. But when their water bowl goes empty, they all converge on this water bowl when I fill it. So Harvey instantly secures his spot as the #1 spot to get water first. And in this particular video, he actually stayed there for probably a good 5 minutes and wouldn't let any of the pups try to get any water, and they keep trying to get it. They don't. They really don't until he actually walks away and he's done. But at least they're all sharing the water bowl, and nobody got swiped, so I see it as a good thing. And for my outfit of the day today, I chose, this is my last day for blue nails. I'm getting my nails done tonight, so I did a blue and white striped tank dress. This one is from The Loft. You may remember it from one of my hauls. Paired back to this little Paige denim short sleeve jacket. I hadn't worn it yet this year, so I thought now would be a great time. And then I hadn't worn my Tory Burch Millers yet this year, so I pulled out my gold pair. And for jewelry, the same as yesterday for the most part. My bracelet stack, my necklace. All right, I'm off to the gynecologist for my annual appointment. Yay. So I'll catch you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. I left the puppers inside because I'm actually headed out to breakfast with my friends, so it's going to be a quiet one, aside from outside noises you may hear. And let's see, so my CABI haul posted today, and like so good. I'm in love with each and every one of these pieces. I love this fall collection so far. It's amazing. So stop by, check it out. If you need a stylist, my stylist Lisa will help you out. All that information is down below. If you already have a stylist, make sure you grab these pieces before they're gone. And for today's outfit, I have on an all Trendsend outfit. I have on shorts from, what are these from? I think they're from Evereve. I have on a top that's Evereve, the vest is Evereve, the belt Evereve. The shoes are Dolce Vita, but Evereve store, Trendsend. I love these. Love the little gold on the heel. And for jewelry, I have on my Louis necklace, my bracelet stack. I am on my way. That's my outfit. As always, I will list all of my outfits down below. I can link directly to an item I will. Many come from boxes, so you're going to see all the box information down below as well. Please use my links. It helps me continue to grow my channel and continue to create new content. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.